Welcome here to Tivoli Hotel Copenhagen. We're gonna take a room tour today of room 659. Here it was. Let's get inside and see the room. This is a standard room, one queen size bed. There's a TV, as we can see, normal room. We got a view of the window. We got a little disc. We'll take a bigger look in just a moment. We have the toilet and the room. Now the room comes with a mini bar. The mini bar includes some wine if you're into wine. There are some candy. There are some hangers. There are some stuff. In the closet we have a little fridge with some more minibar stuff. We have a safe. If you have any money, you can put them there. If you don't have any money, you do not need a safe. And a little drawer with some instruction if you need to get something washed by the hotel. Please remember that will also be at extra charge. Now one bed, one chair, so you can look on whoever's sleeping. One desk if you would like to work or just send out an email or whatever you would like to do. TV, some lights, and the lights actually have a little bit of Tivoli vibes, so they have actually done a great job at this hotel. Now if you look out the window, you can see right in front of us there is actually another hotel. Wake Up Copenhagen. It's a little more budget hotel. And if we look to the left, the white building, that is actually also Tivoli Hotel. So Tivoli Hotel is a rather big hotel, and all the courtyard down under is actually the roof on all the Tivoli Hotel conference centers, restaurants, and whatever they have down there. So rather big hotel. This tower we're in now are called in the locals the old tower. The new tower is a little more fancier room, but they are still okay in the old tower. That's not that old. Of course there is a toilet. In the toilet we have towels, we have more towels, we have some glasses, we have some soaps, and we have a hair dryer. We also have a man with a camera. He is not included. There's actually water in the sink, hot and cold water. There's a shower, normal Danish shower, nothing much to see here. There's some shampoos and conditioners. Some more towels, normal restroom, nice and clean. Now, in Tivoli Hotel you also have these do not disturb signs, a little, Tivoli vibes on those also. We also have one with technical challenges. If you have something not working, you can actually fill it in the back and the technician will come and fix your room when you're in Tivoli or whatever you are. Please remember to set your card at the door, because otherwise there is no power. The night view is actually almost the same as day view. It's just dark and some light on. We can still not see Tivoli, but again, Tivoli is within a walking distance from this hotel, and it's actually a pretty nice hotel. There's a lot of Tivoli for the theming around the hotel, like the playground, playroom, just the hallways are a lot of Tivoli vibes. Come visit us at the Copenhagen at the Tivoli Hotel. Please like, subscribe, you know the drill if you like these kinds of videos, so we can have more room tours of more hotels.